Hello everyone, I welcome everyone to this new video. Today I am going to talk about recent TPSC notice, a notification released by TPSC on 1st September 2025, This notification states that TPSC is going to conduct interview for the TCS and TPS Grade-II, from 4th November 2025. But as you all know that there was no current ongoing recruitment process. So how come they are going to take interviews? For that we need to understand a Supreme Court judgment, a recent Supreme Court judgment that was given on 28th of August. This is the whole judgment I have. You also can download it from the different websites. So I will not discuss the whole judgment. I will just explain the crux of the judgment. So we need to understand one thing. In Tripura, uh, basically this judgment, Supreme Court delivered a landmark judgment overturning the cancellation of public service recruitment in Tripura. In 2016, TPSC TPSC started recruiting different posts. Recruitment for different posts. For example, TCS and TPS for all 45 posts, then TSR for almost 500 posts, then inspector of boilers. So these were the different recruitments that TPSC started in 2016, right? After that, in 2018, there was a new administration, and new administration took few new decisions. Like they introduced new recruitment policy on August 2018. And after this new recruitment policy, they have suspended all the previous recruitments. So the aggrieved aspirants went to High Court as well as in Supreme Court also. So saying that this ongoing cancellation of the recruitment is unjustified and all this. So now Supreme Court, after hearing everything, Supreme Court gave judgment. Now what does the judgment says? In in nutshell, we can say that Supreme Court has ordered the TPSC as well as Tripura state government, to conduct to complete this recruitment process. Like for TCS and TPS, they had conducted prelims and mains, and only interview was left, right? So Supreme Court has ordered to conduct interview as well as to complete all the process within 4 months. And also for TSR and inspector of boilers. So those aspirant in 2016 cleared the prelims and mains for TCS and TPS. They are going to sit for this interview on 4th November 2025. So this is the notice. This is the notice TPSC has given on 1st September 2025. Now what does it mean? See, as a teachers fraternity and also so many students of Tripura, aspirants of TCS and TPS, were expecting notification for the same after this puja and before the December, or most probably in the early 2026. So we all were expecting this notification for TCS and TPS. But understand one thing. Now these 2016 recruitments, 45 posts, they have to obey the High Court Supreme Court order, and they have to take interview, and also they have to give their posting. So if these 45 people join the department, so obviously there will be no vacant post, so government will not bring new notification. Okay, as you also know that in Tripura, this TCS and TPS notification usually comes 2 to 3 years after. Okay, after every 2 to 3 year, it is not regular or every year. So it means if they are taking this 45, they are filling up this 45 post this year within 4 months. Okay, means next within next December. Okay, then it means they are not going to bring notification for new recruitment for TCS and TPS for next 2 to 3 years. So what does it mean? So it means the new aspirants or the present aspirants who were preparing for the TCS and TPS examination, those who were expecting notification by this year or early in the next by the first quarter of next year, means most probably it is not going to happen. Okay, so you people have to wait, you people have to keep patience. So this judgment basically is a good news for those candidates who already cleared prelims and mains in 2016, and very bad news for the ongoing present aspirants. Okay, so keep patience, keep studying. All the best, everyone. Okay, this was the judgment. So I had to tell you. So thank you, everyone. If you have any doubt or anything, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.